To ensure your investment, make sure to Hi everyone, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and today we have here a brand new modern contemporary home for sale here in Angeles City. This is located at a very secure subdivision near Marquee Mall, Angeles Exit, and also Landers. Let's start with the facade of this house. It's a combination of tiles, fluted panels, WPC sa ceiling, concrete with strip lights accent that highlights the dark color combination ng buong facade. Perfect for a starter family scenes. The lot area of this house is 120 and the floor area is 170. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. This side is your 2 carport. Enough for a kahit SUV is kasya na. As you can see, high ceiling na rin. That's it. On this side is your laundry area that could access din. Meron ding access pala sa auxiliary kitchen natin. Para pasukin natin yan sa loob. Let's go back and we may now enter your main house. Now, this is unfurnished. As you can see, ang dali nyo lang maglagay ng mga preferred nyong gamit. This is your living area. Pwede kayo at least 2 to 3 seater na L-type shape na sofa. This side naman, you have here a full window na pwede nyo makita yung, oh, I forgot, meron kayong space for pocket garden noon, mini garden. So, yan yung view nyo on this side. Now, kung gusto nyo naman ng fresh air, pwede nyo rin siyang i-open and then leave nyo lang tong screen. Pero if you don't want naman, lagyan nyo na lang ng floor to ceiling na curtain. On this side, naka-redden na siya if you want to put your own television here kasi syempre nga, since this is your living room, diba? Lahat ng abang meron na. This side, naka-ready na din. Actually, itong cabinets na to, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga shoes nyo dyan. And then, other stocks dito sa cabinets na to. This side, meron man kayong open shelves for your family portrait, diba? Other collections. And that's it. So, it's very perfect sa mga starting family. Family of 3 or 4. Enough siya. This area naman is your dining. You can actually put kahit round table na 4-seater or 6-seater. So kahit nga rectangle is pwede. This naman na ang ganda ng pagka-layout kasi pagpasok nyo ng entrance, nakatago yung formal kitchen nyo. Sa formal kitchen, you have mga provision for your burner stove. Meron din provision for range hood as well. May butas na yan dyan. Ayan. So, granite na din yung countertop natin. You have a double sink. Also, meron siyang air ventilation galing sa labas doon. Overhead cabinets, enough para sa mga stocks nyo. Mga stocks ng plates, and then baso. Ang ganda din ng pagka-finish ng mga overhead cabinets nila kasi di ba mga walang handle. So, sample ko na lang is, you have to push lang to open it. Ayan. Then, push again to lock it. Same thing sa mga taas. Ayan. Ang dami niyang spaces. Now, yung mga herbs nyo, you can put it here. Now, this space naman dito is for your ref. This door is your flexi room. Actually, pwede pa tong lagyan nyo lang ng shelves. Pwede siyang storage, pwede siyang office. May view pa siya ng carport nyo. Now, this door naman leads to your powder room. Pero actually, yung powder room, yung full bath na rin siya. So, you can see meron siyang shower enclosure, water closet, and then sink. Now, sa living area and then dining area, you get a own air-conditioned unit na rin. That could cover yung buong ground floor na. Now, this door naman leads to your auxiliary kitchen. Yes, you have auxiliary kitchen for this house. Meron pa siyang space for your washing machine. And then that space, yung kaninang tinuro ko from your carport, is your laundry area. Diyan na rin kayo magsasampay. Now, this side naman is your space. Pwede pa rin kayo maglagay ng potted plants dito. Now, balik ako sa loob. So, we can go sa second floor. Going up, you can see yung stairs nyo is from wood, pati handrail, and then steel na rin with glass. Ang luwag din ng ano nyo, stairs going to second floor. So, dito sa second floor, andito lahat ng bedrooms. Let's start with your bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, you have na your own air-conditioned unit, may built-in cabinet na rin. And for the space sa bed, you can put at this double size na mattress and bed frame. Moving to your bedroom number 2. Same treatment. You have your own air-conditioned unit na. May built-in cabinet na rin. And yes, for the mattress and bed, you can put na yung double size na bed. Now, wala kayong nakitang ensuite toilet and bath kasi this bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, mag-shared sila dito ng shower. Shower enclosure, merong water closet, and then meron na ding sink. Ang ganda din ang pagka-design ng mga CR nila. Yung color, matching colors lang. Now, this door naman leads to your master bedroom. And welcome to your master bedroom. Master bedroom, you get na own air-conditioned unit. Mamaya na tong area na to. You can put king-size bed na ano na dito, mattress and bed frame. And then this master bedroom pala comes with ensuite toilet and bath. Pero before going there, this side, meron na kayong TV console. Pwede kayo. Meron din abang for your own television. This door leads to your own ensuite toilet and bath. Pasok na lang ako kasi ang laki ng ensuite toilet and bath na. Shower enclosure on this side. Ito yung water closet. You have here your own sink. Pwede pa kayo mag-additional ng mirror dito. Itong ensuite toilet and bath pala ng master, meron ng natural light coming from this window. This side is your whole walk-in closet and cabinet. This area, obviously, is your vanity. Diba? Enough space. Ito na kay wife, ito na kay husband. Ang ganda kasi yung buong area na yung cabinet. So, wala siya dito sa labas ng room. And then, you still have your balcony. L-type rin yung balcony nyo dito. Diba? Ang ganda. What do you think? Let's do a quick recap. This is a modern contemporary home for sale here in Angeles City, near Marquee Mall, near Landers, and also near Expressway. Lot area is 120, floor area is 170 square meters. That's 3 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, 2 carport, and then unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson.